This is one of my favorites. My son really likes this book. It's called Don't Push the Button, written by Bill Cotter. See that button? Don't push the button. Don't. Hi, my name's Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Okay? Don't push it. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ready? Push. What's gonna happen? Oh! Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Okay. What do you think's gonna happen now? Ah! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Now push it twice. 1, 2. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push, 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 push. Uh-oh. Look what happened. There's a bunch of Larrys. Now, shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake, 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 shake. Almost. A little more. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. Now, it says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, 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 scratch. That tickles. Okay, much better. Now, let's not push the button again. We're not going to push it again. That was crazy. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Push, 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 push. That one's so silly. It's short and sweet. Bye. See you next time.